Hey there folks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the split tool in Fusion, using the shape that we just made like last week. So we're going to take it, we're going to go up here to split body. It's going to be right next to combine, right next to move copy, combine, or split body. You're going to select this body, or whatever body you're using. You're going to select extend splitting, or this will already be checked off to extend splitting tools. You're going to select align here, and then you're going to hit OK. Now these are now two separate bodies. So if I hit move, it'll select it as a body, and we can move them all separately. So if we go back, and let's say we only want this shape here cut out, so we're going to do it again. Split this body along, let's see here, there's a line. This line, hit OK. So now these two are separate parts. Now let's do it one more time. Hit split body, select this face, which will count as a line, and hit OK. So now these are all four separate bodies. So now we can just, now we only have this guy. Now we're going to do one more thing, and we're just going to split it one more time. So split body, select this line, hit OK, and now this middle section can just be taken out. So that's fun. And then let's say you want to make a sketch here as your line, and you want to cut it diagonally like this. Hit OK. So let's select this body back here. So if we hit split, select this body, select splitting tools, and now we cut it at an angle. So now it can be moved around and do whatever. So that's pretty much how you use the splitting tool in Fusion. It's very, very useful. I use it often. I don't know what I would do without the splitting tool. On this part that I'm currently working on, which is a hinge, the amount of times that I've used the split tool is insane. I don't know why it's not showing up down here, but I have used it quite a bit. So that's how you use the splitting tool in Fusion.